Are you a fan of YouTube? If you enjoy watching free videos online, from a number of different genres, you may be a huge fan of YouTube. Although many internet users only watch videos on YouTube, there are many who also post their own YouTube videos. If you have never done so before, you may be wondering whether or not you really should. To determine whether or not you should make and upload your own videos to the YouTube website, you will want to examine the advantages or the plus sides to doing so. Perhaps, the biggest advantage to making your own YouTube videos is that your videos can be just about whatever you want them to be. Popular videos on YouTube right now include comedy skits, video blogs, how-to videos, and music videos from up-and-coming artists. Whether you want to make a video blog of yourself or if you and your friends want to just have fun with a video camera, you can do so. Of course, when making a YouTube video you will want to use your best judgment. Although YouTube accepts videos on a wide variety of different subjects, you will want to proceed with caution. You should always be cautious of online predators, therefore, you will want to be cautious about divulging too much information about yourself. You might not necessarily think about it, but you also want to make sure that you don't record and post anything illegal on YouTube. It has been said that YouTube regularly works with law enforcement to help solve crimes. That just goes to show that you never really know who is watching your videos or what the consequences for posting them might be. Another one of the many advantages or pros to making your own YouTube videos is that it is relatively easy to do. Of course, you will need to have a video recording device. What is nice is that there are a number of different recording devices that you can use. For instance, many cell phones now come equipped with video recording capabilities. In addition to cell phones, you should also be able to use traditional camcorders or webcams. For the best quality YouTube video, you will want to have a movie editing software program. Movie editing software programs will not only give you the ability to preview your videos before uploading them to YouTube, but you should also be able to edit them if you would like to remove something and so on. Once you made one of your videos and uploaded it onto your computer, you will find that getting your video uploaded to YouTube's website is just as easy. In fact, that's another one of the many advantages to making your own YouTube videos. Just like actually making the video itself, uploading a YouTube video is as easy as it can be. If you have never uploaded a video to YouTube before, you should be able to do these. The YouTube uploading learning curve is so easy that if you continue to make videos for the YouTube website, you will be uploading them and sharing them with the internet community in no time at all. Another benefit of making your own videos and uploading them to YouTube comes after the fact. After you have uploaded your videos to YouTube and they are available for viewing, anyone with an internet connection can visit the YouTube website to view your videos. This means that just one of your videos may be seen by thousands of people. In fact, if those viewers are registered members of YouTube, they can rate your YouTube videos or even leave comments for you. This feature is nice because it gives you positive and sometimes even negative feedback that can be taken into consideration if and when you choose to make any more YouTube videos. As you can see, there are a number of pros or advantages to making your own videos to share on YouTube. As you likely know, there are also a number of disadvantages to doing so as well, including safety. However, as long as you display caution when making a YouTube video or when talking with other YouTube members' health fitness articles, your YouTube video making experience should be a positive one.